Hello everyone, welcome back to our state Karnataka chapter. So in this previous video we have learnt about the greatness of our state and its the heritage and the origin of the name of the Karnataka about we have learnt about in the part 1 video. So this is the part 2 video. In this what we are going to discuss means geographical location, Karnataka's size and the Karnataka's land and the water frontiers and the neighboring state of the Karnataka about we are going to discuss in the part 2 video. So first we are going to discuss the geographical location. So Karnataka is one of the 29 state of our in the India. So it is situated in the southern part of the India. It was locating in the southern part. It extended from the 11 degree to it was extended it was extended from the 11 degree 31 minutes north to 18 degree 45 minutes north latitude. These are the lines we are calling as a latitudes. And the 74 degree 12 minutes east to 78 degree 40 minutes east longitude. So it was our Karnataka was extended from this place. Its length is 750 kilometers. Karnataka's length is, if we are comparing to the, it was length is 750 kilometers, stretching from the Aura Taluk in Bidar. So it was in the Bidar, it will locating here in the, it was Aura is locating in this place. So the district in the northernmost tip, this was the northernmost tip. And the Chamarajanagar district in the south side. It was locating in the Chamarajanagar in the south place. So if you are comparing the, this was length means there is a distance between is the 750 kilometers. And it's a width. If you are seeing the width means it was 400 kilometers. From the west to east, it was locating here the Karwar, Uttar Kannada district is the western end, it was western end, and whereas the Mulbagil Taluk in the Kolar district, it was locating in the Mulbagil Taluk is the eastern end, it was the eastern end. So if we are comparing this between the distance means there is the 400 kilometers. The Karnataka state has both the land and water frontiers. So it was our Karnataka, it has the boundaries like land also and the water frontiers also. The Arabian Sea in the west side. If we are seeing the Karnataka's west side, so if in this picture, for example, this is the north, south, east, west, and this is the northeast, this is the southeast, southwest, and northwest. Okay, so these places we can, these directions we have to remember. So if we are seeing the Arabian Sea is the west side. Okay, so west side, no, it was Arabian Sea, we can see our border. Then the state of the Maharashtra in the north side, this is, we can see here the state of Maharashtra in the north side, and Andhra Pradesh in the east side, Andhra Pradesh in the east side, and the Tamil Nadu in the south and southeast, Tamil Nadu in the south and southeast side, Tamil Nadu. We can see here in this picture. Then the Kerala in the southwest side. If we are seeing the Kerala means it is locating in the Kerala in the southwest side locating. The Goa, the northwest from it's the frontiers, northwest side, no, it was locating in here. We can see the Goa. So northwest from it's the frontiers. The shape of Karnataka, it has the cashew nut. Our state Karnataka's shape, how it was locating, it's like not particularly, it was similar, like it was locating as a cashew nut. Now next point we are going to learn size. The Karnataka stretches over an area of the 1,91,791 square kilometers. So our Karnataka, it has the stretches over, if over we are comparing this area means 1,91,791 square kilometers. Then it is India's 8th largest state with the regard to area, and according to the 2011 census, it has the 9th position with a population 6,11,30,704. So the Karnataka occupies the 5.83% of India's geographical location. In a whole India, our Karnataka, it was occupied the 5.83% geographical area. At present, there are the 30 districts in our state. There are the how many districts? 30 districts are in our Karnataka. These districts occupies the 176 talukas. These districts comprises with the 176 talukas and 747 hublis and the 347 town or the cities. So 347 towns or the cities and the 27,481 villages we have in our Karnataka. So Belgavi district is the largest in the size. Belgavi district is the largest in the size. Bengaluru urban district is the smallest. Bengaluru urban is the very smallest place we can see here. And Bengaluru is the capital of the Karnataka. So our Bengaluru is, we are know as a, all the works are going on in our Bengaluru. The state has been divided into 4 divisions for the administrative convenience purpose. Our whole the Karnataka was divided for the administrative convenience purpose. They are Bengaluru, Mysuru, Belgavi and Kalaburgi. So these all the 4 divisions they have divided. First one is Bengaluru. So Bengaluru, if we are seeing, means in this part. So this was the Bengaluru division they have divided. Okay, and Mysuru. So this was the Mysore division. This all the district will come under this place, Mysore division, and Belgavi. So this was the Belgavi division, and this is all the places it will come in the under the Kalaburgi divisions. Okay, so I hope you are understood about the our state Karnataka about. So thank you for watching.